Hi, it's Glenda here from AAA Web Design. Today we're going to talk about inserting an image or media into your website. The site that we're working on today is a testing site only, and we are running the Virtue Premium theme, which is a great theme. I'd suggest that you go and have a look at it. You'll also notice that the search engines are discouraged because we don't want Google to index this site at all. And a way you can do that is by hovering over settings, click on reading, and then you would tick the box that says discourage search engines from indexing this site. This is a good idea if you're building the site, but please don't forget to untick it when you want your site to go live. Okay, back to adding media to your website. You may like to create your own page first of all to do that, but today we're going to add media to a page that I have already prepared. So it's the About page, so I click on that page. And I've already uploaded some dummy text into this page. You'll notice that it's a full width, there's no sidebar at all. So first of all, what you need to do is decide where you want this image to sit. Depending on the size of the image, if it's a portrait image or a landscape image. So we're going to do a portrait image. So we're going to place the cursor at the start of where we want this image to be. It doesn't matter if it's left or right, we can fix that later. So we've got our cursor at the start of the paragraph, and now we're going to add media. There are already lots of images in our media file, but we would like to upload one from our computer. So we click on Upload Files, click on Select Files, and we're going to click on a smartphone image. Then we're going to click on Open. So the image has now been uploaded, and first of all I'm going to copy that title and I'm going to place it into the alt text. This is a good idea. Google doesn't read images, so it only reads text. So if you place the wording into the alt text, Google will be able to read it. So down further there's alignment, so we're going to click on that depending on which side that we want it on. Today we're going to leave it at right. We don't want to link the photo to anything as yet, but if you did want to have the photo clickable, say it was an image of a bride and you just had a small image on your page, but you wanted people to enlarge that image so they can have a better look. So you would click on the image file and then that would be able to happen. Or you can click on custom URL, which would take that image when it was clicked to a different website. But we're going to leave it at none today. The size at the moment is a full size. You'll notice that there are 3 different sizes here with this theme. We'll leave it on full size because I want to show you how to change the size later. Then you just insert to page. So you can see that the image is too large, but we're going to update. And then when that's done, we're going to be able to view the page. Now you can click on View Page here, but it will override this existing page. So what I prefer to do is right click and open the link in a new tab. That way you have 2 tabs open. So here's the page open and you'll notice that the image is far too big. So we'll click on the other tab and go back and change the size of the image. I've done that by clicking on the image. We're going to click on the edit, which is shaped like a pencil, and over here it's still on the right hand side, but now we're going to change the size of the image to medium, and then update the page. Then we go across to the live site and we refresh the page. So that's a much better size for this amount of text. If you started the image down here, you would have the top of the image there and the image would go down below. So you need to think about where you're going to place it. We'll just go back. If you found that the image was still a little bit too big, you could just go to the corner. First of all, you hover over it and click it, go to the corners, and then you can drag it in to make it a little bit smaller. Update the page, go back again to your live site, refresh the page, and that's just brought that image in a little bit smaller again. So it's up to you how you would like to have the image. So that's how you insert an image into a website. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again.